Okay guys, we got some Burger King and we've got Whopper Jr. Whopper Jr. Cheesy Whopper Jr. Another Whopper Jr. Some everywhere. 1 kilo cheeseburger. Chicken. Some small fries. Another chicken. And another chicken. Okay, we're gonna down these today. Oh, it's a lot. We got it on a deal. So all of this, how much was it?
600 something.
600 something. I just ate oats, so I'm kind of full.
Not many people.
So while I watch K-drama, I'll just record myself eating and review the burger. Which one should I get? They gave us the wrong burgers.
Really?
Because it's Whopper. Oh no, it's not. So these are the cheese. I think it's just cheese. See?
I've no Whopper.
Cheeseburger.
Yeah, boy.
That's really cheesy. I thought you didn't want to be in the video. I'm gonna keep that.
I-cut mo na lang.
Why? Wow, look at that.
No.
Look at that cheese, man. It's pretty good. I'm gonna try their chicken.
어제 약 먹고 자느라 전화 못 받았어. 오면 연락해.
This is a Whopper Jr. Cheese. Wow. You finished first. I ate oats kasi. Now next is the chicken. Man, stop on that. I think I should get rid of the lettuce.
Does it seem fresh?
Just in case. Or should I just risk it for the biscuit? Yeah, I'll get rid of the lettuce. I'll be back. Alright. Is that your driver's number? Probably hindi pumasok. Did you see? Did it say it was confirmed?
Yeah.
In
Confirmed
Bilis?
traffic.
Alright. Alright, I put some sauce in here. Grab driver called us because they wanted to send the receipt, so we got served.
Kinagitan ko.
Huh?
Wala lang yun.
No, the big one.